Okay, so how to invest in Bitcoin without losing? It's actually simple. The first thing is just have to do not become greedy and don't rush for make quick money or get rich fast schemes. Yeah, especially like these which require you to recruit other people. Don't join them. So I'm going to show you how you can make money without losing Bitcoin. Yeah. So the first thing you have to do is buy Bitcoin. You can buy Bitcoin from local Bitcoins or from someone who know, and don't buy for someone you don't know. You will be scammed again. Yeah, buy from someone you really know, especially if you can even meet in person, it can be better. Or buy from local Bitcoins or other platforms. Yeah, after you buy, of course you need to have a wallet where you can store those Bitcoin. You can download the wallet and buy the Bitcoin and transfer them there. Yeah, so if you want, yeah, after buying the Bitcoin, Bitcoin increases value over time. It also reduces value over time. For example, let's say you buy $10 of Bitcoin today. Maybe after some months or days, you may find that the $10 of Bitcoin you have bought is now at $15. So when you sell those $15, you will make a profit of $5. And again, it can go the opposite way. For example, buy $10 of Bitcoin. After some months, maybe you may find it has lost value to $5. So again, it's like if you sell, you will get a negative of 5. So this is the easiest way of investing without having to send money to anyone. So the other advanced way is by trading it. There are platforms whereby you can invest at Bitcoin and start trading whereby start buying other cryptocurrencies. When it's low, you buy. When it increases value, you sell. That's like that. Just repeat the steps online. Yeah, but that's an advanced feature. I'm going to teach about that later on. But for now, I'll just end here. Okay. Yeah. So if you have any other questions, feel free to ask me. Uh, and check out the link in the description where I've written a lot about this, how you can learn more and understand better. Feel free to contact me if you have anything else. Yeah, so it's bye for now.